I'm Dr. Tom Van Ornum. I'm the clinical director at the South Salinas Balance location, and we wanted to talk about BFR today, which stands for Blood Flow Restriction Training. It is a new medical device that we purchased a few weeks ago. It's quite literally one of the most evidence-based interventions, not just in physical therapy, but all of medicine. It's been in development since World War II. It was largely developed by the military, actually. And over the past 20 years, it's really taken off first with military, then pro sports. Now it's being used in general orthopedics at large. So basically what the technology does is it tricks the body into creating a recovery and regenerative environment for soft tissue and bony healing that can mimic some of the benefits of heavy weightlifting without the heavy load and the risk of a heavy weight. So when you do heavy weightlifting, you deprive the muscles of oxygen, and from there you get a cascade of reactions of different muscle fibers activating to get increased strength, as well as a release of some really important hormones, especially growth hormone, which is one of the main muscles for healing, as well as muscle size. But like I said, obviously we can't do a lot of high intensity weight training with certain patients depending on pain and injuries. So this device is essentially a tourniquet that can go on an arm or a leg. It will deprive the muscles of oxygen similar to a high intensity workout or heavy weight does. And then we can give a patient a very light weight and get the benefits of some high intensity strengthening, these hormonal reactions that help tissues heal in a much safer way and build them up quicker. So it's a great technology for a lot of extreme weakness that you would see after some big surgeries, even non-operative conditions. Even if a baseline level of strength is good, it's still a good intervention to give a stimulus to healing tissues with these hormones. So we are one of the only facilities in the area that has this technology. So if you are injured, if you are considering physical therapy and you're interested in this device, we'd love to use it with you and see if we can help you recover faster than another facility that does not have this device.